Welcome to MLS Online Virtual Classroom. Today, in Unit 1, What Nonsense, we will study about abstract nouns. So, open up page number 10 and let's get started. First, let us get to know what are abstract nouns. Abstract nouns refer to qualities, feelings, ideas, and concepts which we cannot see, taste, touch, smell, or hear. Some abstract nouns represent quality like honesty, happiness, and generosity. Honesty is the quality of being honest. Now, some abstract nouns represent actions like laughter, theft, movement, and judgment. So, here, for example, the action of stealing is known as theft. Some abstract nouns represent the state of being, which means that they show the physical condition of a person, like childhood, boyhood, youth, slavery, life, sleep, and poverty. Now, as an activity, write some sentences using the abstract nouns given above.